Hi everyone, here's a short video for week 14 of Writing 213. I know I'm posting a little bit early this week, but tomorrow's Easter, so I wanted to make sure that I put this up for anyone who needs to get a jump on the week. So this week for media, you should mostly be directing your own reading with stuff related to your multimodal project. I've also included here a set of directions about how to create different kinds of videos. A lot of you are working on video projects, so this might be a good tool. If you need help with videography stuff, make sure you let me know. I'll be in my office hours both Tuesday and Thursday, and I'm also willing to meet with you at other times. So you can just send me an email if you'd like to talk about it. So this week, the big thing is getting your draft ready to share with me. So I'd like to approve your draft by Wednesday. So submit the draft to me. It doesn't have to be polished. If you're working on a video, it's okay if you send the script for it or a description of what you plan to do. That's fine. I need to approve your draft before I can add you to the peer review, which will begin on Wednesday, and then you'll have until Sunday to complete it. So those are the big things we have going on for class this week. Next week, by April 22nd, you will submit your multimedia presentation to me. And then in week 16, which is final exams week, we will not meet at any certain time. There's no exam, but you should plan to spend a few hours working on a reflection assignment that I'll post during finals week, where you will look at your progress over the course of the semester. I hope you're all having a great spring and working hard on your presentations. Make sure you check in with me if you have questions, and keep touching your projects a little every day, and it will be done soon. Take care, everyone.